Remove makeups and clean. Apply toner. Apply black hat expert liquid and hot steam. On enlarged pores and severely clogged area, apply toner on cheeks. It is recommended to apply toner and cold steam for sensitive skin. Wait for 5 to 8 minutes. Hydrodermabrasion operation. Press gently on forehead with the crystal tip for 3 to 5 times, then brace the forehead tightly and stay for a second, and then gently twist the probe with your finger and pick it up. Each treatment area should be right next to another, from forehead to nose to chin to cheeks. You can double the operation on T-zone where pores are severely clogged. Skin scrubber operation. Wet face with drenched cotton pad, then tilt the scrubber at a 45-degree angle and slowly move around the face. Start with nose and double the treatment if needed, 3 to 6 times. Start from chin, brace the skin in lines to keep the treatment surface tight, 3 to 6 times. Do the same on the other side. Brace the skin vertically towards hairline on forehead 3 to 6 times. Apply hydrating mask and treat together with hot steam. Wait for 10 minutes. Cleans facial skin. Massage and apply massage cream on face evenly and caress the treatment area 3 times. Press the following acupoints: REN24, DU26, ST4, ST6, LI20, BI1, BI2, EM3, TE23, the temples, GB1, ST1, ST2, 3 times. Caress the entire face 2 times. Lift to the treatment area with both hands as if plucking the string. Alternate hands in lifting the treatment area on one side as if plucking the string. Alternate hands in lifting in 3 lines tracing from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose vein to temple on one side of the face 3 times. Lift to the corner of the eye with scissor hand gesture on one side 3 to 5 times. Lift towards hairline on forehead 3 to 5 times. Repeat the same techniques on the other side. Brace the skin with both hands on forehead as if writing letter Z. Slide to the ear back and forth for 3 times and then slide to the back of the ear.